Hey everyone, welcome to another Tree Plotter tutorial video. In this one, we'll talk about account administration within your Tree Plotter application. First, it is important to know about the different user accounts in Tree Plotter. Admin accounts can view and edit all data in the app. Additionally, they serve as the app's administrators and can add and remove users, edit organizations, and change usernames. Staff or users can view and edit all data in the app, but cannot do any of the account administration that the admin users can. There are also restrictions on the use of the mass update tool and the lookup table editor. Read-only can view all data, but cannot edit any data. Every login level can be customized extensively and vary based on your needs as a customer. Other examples include volunteer, student, and contractor logins. Before logging in, let's take a look at what the Account tab looks like when you are logged out. You can see that the options when logged out are to log in or to retrieve your username and password. Both of these features are linked to the email address that your account was set up with. In the event that you have forgotten your password, TreePlotter will send a code via email that can be used to reset it. If you have forgotten your username, TreePlotter will email you the username attached to the entered email address. Now let's see what it looks like when we're logged in. So I'm logged in here as an admin on this TreePlotter application. I'll go to Tools, then the Basics, Account, then Manage Account. Under here we have two options: Change Password and All Users. For changing a password, enter the email address associated with your account, then enter your new password twice. Next, hit Submit. After logging out, you will now be able to log in with this new password. Now let's take a look at adding a user in the All Users section. We'll enter the username for the new user as well as their email address, which is important for both changing and recovering their password. We'll also assign an initial password that they can change as needed. It is important to note that the username and password are case sensitive. Next, we will select the role that we would like to assign to this new user, either admin, staff user, or read-only. Depending on your app, you may or may not have this section for client site, organization, projects, or it may be called something else in your specific app. This is where you would assign those login credentials. If applicable, select the client site or organization that you would like them to access. If you do assign a user to a client site, they will only be able to access that site and will not be able to view your other client sites or organizations or the tree data within. Not all TreePlotter apps will have this option. Once we've populated the necessary information, hit Save. We'll get confirmation and then be able to see the user in the table. We can also edit and delete users here. Only admin users will have full access to see all information within the users table. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit www.treeplotter.com.